I also agree with the President that the ethnic issue, as he mentioned, must be resolved. And you can't say we'll do it after the economic crisis is over. No, it won't happen in that way. It's intrinsically connected. As we speak, we have a massive public protest going on in Batticaloa. We have another massive public protest going on in Mana, and even bigger protest happening in Vaunia. How many of us even know that it is happening? So, the archaeology department is running amok. Right? And I just looked at the logo of the archaeology department. It's a Dagaba and the Dharmachakra. Now, is that the only archaeology relevant to this country? So, the fairness question and the public support, particularly to pull us out of a difficult economic situation, you must have the support of everybody, and that's not just only economical support. It's a perception and an understanding that everybody is being treated equally and fairly. And that is severely lacking, and we are willing to participate in these discussions. If we know there are suggestions and our views will be taken on board. And all of those would be constructive suggestions, I can assure you.
In fact, far as I am concerned, I have said Sri Lanka's economic question has two E's. Both have to be resolved. Our first priority was getting the IMF agreement. But in the meantime, there were parallel discussions with the representatives of the Tamil from the north and the east. And we have come to agreements now which we will start working on just after Sinhala New Year holidays are over to implement it. I know the one in Vaunia is about the destruction of the temple. That's one which you've asked the police to investigate. And secondly, archaeology, we had one meeting in Vaunia, we had one meeting here, but there are still problems with archaeology, and there are other problems with forest department, which applies both to the north and to the north central province and Monaragala. So we will be looking at those issues next week. In addition, now we want to start on System B. A part of it would be for the companies that are looking for land to export food to Singapore and as well as Middle East. The rest will go to the people of Eastern Province. And that will be fairly substantial. Then there are the other issues which we will be resolving in time to come.